Let's start with this Georgia lawmaker throws tantrum after cops allegedly find her passed out drunk. On September 29th, 2024, an incident involving Fisher Franklin, the vice chair of the Clayton County Board of Commissioners, garnered significant attention after she was discovered passed out outside a local sports bar in Clayton County, Georgia. The episode began outside a sports bar where Franklin was found lying on the ground. Police officers arrived at the scene to find her unresponsive and unable to communicate clearly.
Hi. How are you? You all right? Who served her?
We got an ambulance coming. Here. ID.
I don't know.
Yeah, just let EMS check her out for NR, CYA, and then y'all can just get her out of here.
Yeah, y'all can take her. It's just, we'll take her. We want to make sure she doesn't have like some kind of head trauma or something.
Team 22. Go ahead.
We'll take her.
Show me en route to Minor City Jail for 83.
She was laying down.
Eyes behind rolling.
I guess she rolled off. We want to make sure she didn't hit her head.
That's like EMS responding.
Yeah, EMS will come and check her out right quick, make sure she at least, no indication of head trauma. And then
I didn't see her have really much to do.
Well, she got out there. I saw a stagger.
Yeah, she was staggered out here, so I asked her. I didn't know who she was. I asked her. I said, "Hey, are you driving?" She said, "No, she had a ride." So
Okay.
yeah, she said she had a ride.
Okay. No, I prefer just get her home. We get her home safe. As long as she's not in trauma. The trauma is out of my hands.
Yeah.
But out of that, I'd rather just get
No, y'all are good. I mean,
no, it's you understand what I'm saying.
yeah, I get what you're saying, but I mean, y'all can take her home. We just want to because she fell off the bench. We want to make sure she didn't have something wrong with the bench. She hit her head or something like that.
Let's see if I can get her.
Concerned for her well-being, they positioned her on a bench, awaited further assistance from Emergency Medical Services (EMS). Franklin was later identified as a prominent local official, which added complexity to the situation.
We found her on the ground over here.
Yeah, clear, sir.
We want to make sure she didn't hit her head. Knock herself out.
Yeah, how you doing? All right, we got one that fell off the bench. We don't know if she hit her head or not. They just want her checked out. They want to just transport her home. But we just want to make sure that she's good to go.
Something in your drink or a drink that you
8 o'clock.
susceptible to? Like, I can't drink tequila.
And I got one additional.
She said,
I've not evaluated her.
Okay, I don't want to get it. I'm not trying to get it away.
Okay.
I apologize. I'll stand back.
Okay, so we're going to go to the back of my truck
Okay, I apologize.
and do a little bit more talking.
I apologize.
She's saying that somebody gave her something to drink.
I don't know what they gave.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not. I don't know what they gave.
Where's your purse?
Right here.
we got it right here.
Okay.
They're not taking her yet. They're just gonna put her in the back to evaluate her.
Okay, my mom is her emergency contact and she's on the way. My mom called me.
As medics attempted to assess Franklin's condition, she exhibited highly erratic and hostile behavior. Despite clear indications of severe intoxication, Franklin vehemently refused to cooperate with medical personnel, repeatedly shouting insults and demanding that they leave her alone. Her behavior included a continuous stream of distressing and incoherent statements, further complicating her medical evaluation.
I don't know what they gave me. They love me here. They love me here. Don't leave me. 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 I was 5 when they left me. Don't leave me.
Hey. What's your last name?
Collier.
That's whiskey. You drink bourbon?
I don't know.
What have you been drinking tonight? Any bourbon?
I don't know. I just
Whiskey
want
or-
Patty. Patty, come to me, Patty.
Okay.
Patty, Patty, Patty. I can't do this to myself. Patty, come to me, Patty. Get him out of this truck. I can't do it. Get him out. Get him out of my truck. Get him the out of this truck. Get him the out of. Get him the. Get him truck!
No, Alicia.
Get in the
Felicia, Felicia, look at me. Look at me.
Get in the
Got extra photos.
Felicia, they gotta check you out, baby. Listen to me. No. They're trying to help. Don't hit them. They're trying to help.
Forget about this truck and you can't help me!
No. Felicia.
The confrontation between Franklin and the emergency responders was tense. Franklin's refusal to comply with medical instructions and her aggressive demeanor led to a prolonged struggle. Medics and officers attempted to calm her and ensure her safety, ultimately deciding to transport her to a local hospital for further evaluation.
Listen to you! I can't listen to
Yes,
you!
you can.
Someone can die!
Felicia, they're gonna take you to the hospital and restrain you if you don't
You
listen to
take
me.
me to Emory. If you
No,
take
no,
me
no,
to
no,
Emory,
no,
you
no.
take me to Emory.
Felicia, listen to me. Felicia, listen to me. 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 Shh, you're okay. You're okay.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You're okay.
No, I'm not.
Look at me.
No, I'm not.
Look at me in your.
No,
Look at
I'm
me.
not.
Look at me.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Felicia.
This is a f***ing nightmare.
No,
Get him on this truck.
No, don't.
Get him on this truck.
Felicia, don't do
Get him
this.
on this truck.
You're gonna make it worse than what it needs to be.
Felicia.
You motherfucking
No, she's not. He's not making it worse.
He's
He's trying.
him
We're all
make it-
trying to help, baby.
No, you're not.
Felicia.
No, you're not.
Honey, you fell down. You fell down. We want to make sure
No,
that you're
you're
okay.
not. No, you're not. No, you're not.
We gotta make sure you're okay.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Hey,
No, you're
Lisa,
not.
this is Patty. Okay.
During this time, Franklin's claims of being drugged were noted, although her extreme intoxication overshadowed these concerns. Upon further investigation and sober reflection, it became apparent that Franklin had consumed significantly more alcohol than initially admitted. Surveillance footage and witness statements corroborated the consumption of multiple alcoholic beverages, contradicting her claims of drug tampering.
Well, basically, I've been dealing with bronchitis for like 2 weeks.
Okay.
I've been in. Started to feel better. Had to make a run. So I was sitting beautifully, and so I thought this music for a minute. I've been singing professionally all my life.
Okay.
And so I normally don't go anywhere by myself per se, but if I go to a place and I see music and I see somebody I know, then I will feel comfortable.
Okay.
And that's what I did. In fact, I was went to the Kempton first to see there, because there was nothing there. And then I
Where's that at? Mercedes.
Yeah, Porsche.
Porsche.
And I didn't have anything there,
Okay.
nothing at all. I went in. They had this private event, so I just had to valet bring my car back around. The long time I was there, was waiting on my car.
Okay.
So then I was like, wow, I've been in the whole time. I really would have loved to hear some music. So then I remembered there was a place by South Lake, and as I drove by, I could hear the music. So then I thought, I'll go in and see if I know anybody. Knew one of the drummers was playing, and I stayed up drunk the whole time.
Right.
And was fine the whole time. In fact, I showed him my counseling. But at some point,
What was the name of the drummer, you know?
it was like Landy, but they didn't. It was a band that I knew.
Okay.
It was at the vocalist. She took care of me. She stayed after
Yeah.
and helped. They called another friend that knew me from the music industry.
Okay.
The biggest thing is that after being there and hearing the set, once they packed up is when I noticed something was going on. I wasn't quite sure. Then after sitting there for a minute, I thought, you know what, I need to go ahead and leave. Normally I would leave right after the band. But then when I got up to walk out the door, literally, and I have 4 kids now, it's like my body just went out. It was not a head swimming. It was not anything like that. It was like my body stopped functioning. That's how it felt. When they got me on the gurney and inside, that's when they said, somebody woke me up and I became very combative.
Correct.
According to my doctor, who was on the line with Kayla, because she knows my doctor and all of that. My doctor said that it sounded as if I had superhuman strength. Patty said the same thing. And they said I was very, very combative, and I kept throwing up profusely.
All right.
And that's all I remember. And I remember my dad bringing me home. And I just wanted to rest and sleep.
This discrepancy highlighted the complexity of the situation and underscored the challenges faced by law enforcement in managing public intoxication cases. The consequences of the incident were severe for Franklin. She was removed from her position as vice chair of the Clayton County Board of Commissioners following the incident.
Other than when I went to the doctor, they gave me bronchitis. What is it?
Like an inhaler or something?
Yeah, the inhaler, and that was it. I wouldn't have gone out. I've been home for 2 weeks because I was taking the meds.
And what are you taking? Prednisone?
Yes.
Okay. I just want to be very blunt with you.
You can be blunt.
You had 5 drinks.
I didn't drink 5 drinks.
I'll count it all 5 of them. Just want to let you know that.
I had 5 drinks.
Yes.
I don't remember having 5 drinks. I mean, I don't remember that.
And then they give me your receipt as well, and it shows all the drinks on it as well. You had 3 home runs, that pink.
No, I didn't even order food. Other people had this. I didn't drink that.
Right. Well,
they put somebody else's on my tab. That is not what I didn't even eat that.
that's what he said. He said he never saw you with food, and that's when I asked him, okay, how'd that
No,
be?
I did not.
So you're saying that you saw the camera footage
Oh, yeah.
of her drinking 5 drinks?
Yes.
I had the same drink.
He made a timeline. Let's see. And all of it.
I did not have 5 drinks, Marty. Not that I know of. And I didn't even order food. He put everybody on my bill. You saw them serve me 5 drinks.
By count, she had the wine. You know, in. The second drink she had was the home run, which has got the Hennessy in it. With
I took it back.
Right. She said she's thinking about a third of that one, and took that one back and ordered the new one, like you said, at the bar.
It wasn't a third.
Ordered the third.
The board's decision was likely influenced by the public nature of the episode and its implications for her professional role. In response, Franklin announced plans to file a lawsuit against Clayton County, alleging wrongful termination from her official position. Franklin's actions during the incident involved several violations under Georgia law. Public intoxication, as per Georgia Code SS161141, criminalizes being publicly drunk and disruptive. Franklin's behavior outside the sports bar while intoxicated falls under this offense. In addition, resisting arrest is another relevant charge under Georgia Code SS161024, which covers obstructing or opposing law enforcement officers. Franklin's refusal to cooperate with medics and her aggressive conduct could be seen as resistance. Additionally, Franklin's shouting and disruptive behavior may be classified as disorderly conduct under Georgia Code SS161139, which targets actions that disturb the peace and create hazardous situations. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even messier. On August 3rd, 2023, a significant arrest took place involving a woman named Christy, who was suspected of shoplifting from a Whole Foods store the previous day. The police, acting on a warrant for this incident, located Christy at her residence and proceeded to arrest her.
Hey Christy, how are you?
I've been better.
Okay.
Can I ask you what's going on?
Yeah, you got some charges from yesterday.
From where?
From Whole Foods.
Whole Foods?
Yeah.
What did I do?
Well, you stole something again.
I didn't steal anything.
Well, you got you on camera, sorry.
Okay, well,
35
I
radio,
thought I was
female,
vegan
for a search.
client. What was it?
I don't know, you tell me.
I don't know.
I am.
All I know is that I was pardoned. Adrian Lowe's by Judge Robert Allison Gray. That's all I know about that. Chesky Daniel. I mean, I was trying to write liaison. Danny Wright.
Yeah, you were also at the scat station this morning too. You know the
that is
trespass from
true.
there.
I just thought I'm trespassing from the entire city, sir.
Yeah.
And I don't even know why.
Well, it's because you caused too many issues.
I don't talk to anyone. I really
don't. You don't have to talk to anybody. But
How do you talk? I don't. I just have to eat. That's the only thing I've ever been in trouble for stealing, and I don't. The blueberries.
I get that, but there's plenty of.
I have, credit and food stamps and MOI, but I don't.
Right.
ALAI.
Well,
I thought I was pardoned by Judge Roberts. He wrote me disclosure, Tom Jameson, but the oxygen was too high.
Christy was implicated in a theft captured on store surveillance footage. Despite this clear evidence, she denied any wrongdoing during her interaction with law enforcement. She expressed confusion about the charges and claimed that she was unaware of the specifics of the theft. Additionally, Christy argued that she was covered by a pardon and had food stamps to meet her needs, which she believed justified her actions.
How long were you in jail the other day? You had 2 weeks.
I just don't understand why I'm going to jail.
Well, again, you can't steal.
I have immunization. I'm a really, really, really dinky kind of chick, you know what I mean?
You look healthy to me.
That doesn't mean I'm strong.
Right. Where'd you get this backpack? It's brand new.
The core of the charges against Christy stemmed from the theft of items at Whole Foods. However, her responses during the arrest indicated a lack of understanding or acceptance of the charges. She also claimed that she was entitled to assistance through food stamps, implying that her actions should be considered within the context of her claimed financial support. Christy's defense was weakened by the undeniable video evidence of her shoplifting.
Stop. Please don't touch me.
Stop. I gotta search you
No,
before
you
get
don't
in the car.
have to go in my bra.
Yes, I do actually.
Stop! Oh my shit! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Stop being dramatic.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Stop.
Holy shit!
I know you've been searched before, so
not
stop.
the tits! No, no, no!
Christy.
Then don't touch me. I'll get in the car. Let's just go. I'll
That's not how it works.
You're gonna make sure you don't have anything illegal
I
on you.
can't have anything illegal on you. You know the drill. Stop.
Oh wow! Whoa!
In addition to the theft charges, Christy faced issues related to trespassing and causing disturbances at various locations, including a gas station. Her behavior had led to multiple incidents, further complicating her legal situation. Her frustration with the system was evident as she struggled to comprehend why she was being targeted, despite her assertions of having legal resources and support. During her arrest, Christy exhibited visible distress and resistance. The police conducted a search, which led to further complications when Christy became agitated and uncooperative. Despite her resistance, officers found items in her possession that were related to the theft, reinforcing the charges against her. After her arrest, Christy was transported to jail. Throughout the process, she continued to show signs of confusion and frustration regarding the legal actions being taken against her. This reaction highlighted her apparent lack of understanding of the gravity of her legal situation and the consequences she faced. From a legal perspective, Christy's actions involved multiple violations under Ohio law. Her primary charge, shoplifting, falls under Ohio Revised Code Section 2913.02, which addresses theft and related crimes. Christy could face charges of petty theft if the value of the stolen goods is less than $1,000, a misdemeanor punishable by up to 180 days in jail and/or a fine of up to $1,000. If the stolen goods exceed $1,000, she could be charged with grand theft, a felony that could result in up to 18 months in prison and/or a fine of up to $5,000. Additionally, her trespassing and disturbances could lead to further legal consequences under Ohio Revised Code Section 2911.21, which covers criminal trespass and can be classified as a misdemeanor or felony depending on the circumstances. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even more complicated. On a routine patrol, an officer observed a suspiciously erratic driving pattern that led to the immediate decision to pull over an SUV. Behind the wheel was a 20-year-old woman, Autumn, who was accompanied by a friend. The initial interaction revealed several concerning factors. Autumn was driving without a valid license and exhibited signs of impairment.
We got pulled over.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good.
So, Roanoke, New Mexico State Police. Reason for the traffic stop is you're in and out of lanes. You're signaled to go the one way, then you went the other way. Okay? I'm not talking about your lights, ma'am.
Alone.
How you doing? I'm doing okay. You been drinking tonight, ma'am?
No, she has. No, I told you I'm good.
Whose vehicle is this?
It's under my husband's name.
Your husband? How old are you?
20.
You're 20? Do you have a valid driver's license?
But like, my purse is in my bag and I had everything.
Hmm. Where's your purse?
Back here.
Where do you guys live?
I live on I live in White Cliffs, but her sister lives in White Cliffs. So we're heading over there to go see Gunner because we don't know where to go.
Well, you passed the turnoff.
Yeah, I know, but that's why he's
Sis, can you guys please help us out?
Can you give me your license, man?
I don't have a license.
Or your ID, whatever,
No,
whatever you
stay
got.
on the phone with me, please.
Wait, no.
I don't.
Hey, I have a birth certificate. And
Stay on the phone.
So you don't have any identification?
No,
Okay.
but I have a social security and everything. I've been working.
I don't need yours, man.
No, she's old enough to drive.
Autumn, shut up.
Is that your name, Autumn?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
Autumn.
Shut up.
How do you spell? Is it EY or AY?
EY.
AY. What's your date of birth, Autumn? Okay.
So.
Why are you crying?
Because I've been going through a hard time.
Okay.
And I got kicked out of my sister's place.
Uh huh.
So.
What's your relationship to
We're friends.
friends?
We're friends. And
Okay.
she said, well, give me a
Upon approaching the vehicle, the officer was met with an array of deceptive statements from Autumn. She initially lied about her identity and driving status, while her friend provided conflicting information. This discrepancy raised immediate red flags about Autumn's credibility and the circumstances of her driving.
I'm sorry, what?
I haven't had anything.
No, she.
Nothing?
No, I didn't. Shut
Yes.
up,
So
Minnie.
both of these are yours?
No,
Both of these are mine.
Are yours?
These are hers.
These are mine.
These are all her dreams.
But earlier she took.
I had a bubble gum.
I can tell you're intoxicated.
No, I'm not intoxicated.
You're not?
Like I said.
Okay. All right. Are you willing to do some standard field sobriety tests, Autumn?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Do you have any injuries?
No, I'm fine.
No, no. Do you take any medication?
No, I'm fine.
The officer conducted field sobriety tests to assess Autumn's level of impairment. Autumn's responses to the officer's instructions were notably confused and erratic. Despite repeated claims of sobriety, her performance on the test was poor.
But that's not fair.
How is it not fair?
3.
Okay.
But so if I did 3, I'm okay.
No, you got to do 9.
That's not fair.
You want me to do all 9?
Go ahead, because I know I can do a 9, but you said only 3.
No, I said I did 3, but you're going to do 9. You need to use this crack as a reference line.
I know, so you do 9 and I do 9.
I am going to do 9, and I'll show you.
So you go first.
I'm not going to do it right here. I'm going to do it this way.
No, it's not fair, because that's not in a straight line.
Okay, you want me to do it?
Go ahead.
Stand right here.
Wait.
Do you want to continue? Yes or no?
Yes, because I know I can pass it, but you said I'm doing a straight line.
I said what?
Because you said you're not doing it in a straight line. And I know I can, because the line's right there.
I know, but I need you to stay on this line.
And I know I can.
How about this one? Want to use this one?
Which one?
This one.
It don't matter. They're both a straight line. But you
Yeah, they are straight, right?
line.
Go ahead and stand up for me. Do you want to continue? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you're gonna go that way?
Okay, hold on. Can I talk a bit?
Throughout the encounter, Autumn displayed a range of emotional reactions, including crying, arguing about perceived unfairness, and expressing general confusion. Her behavior was further marked by a lack of cooperation, which complicated the officer's efforts to conduct the stop effectively.
You already completed the first one. Now we're going to the second one. Come on, man. I don't have all evening.
So why do I have to complete the second one?
Come on. Do you want to continue? Yes or no?
What's the second sobriety test?
Come walk over here, and I'm going to show you and demonstrate it for you. Are you going to continue? Yes or no?
Yes, I'm.
Okay, walk over here with me. Let's go, ma'am. I don't have all evening.
Can you please get how I complete the first test?
Yeah, he already told me you could.
Come on, ma'am. Let's go.
Oh man, it's not fair. What's the second test?
I'm going to show you. Come over here. You just can't stop. got another test. Go ahead and turn around. Yes, you are, man.
How come?
Because you are
You
driving.
said I had 3 tests.
Stop it. Put your hands behind your back.
No, you said I had 3 tests. Wait, I get one more.
You did terrible on this one.
Wait,
Put your hands behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back.
No.
There you go. Thank you.
Following the failed sobriety tests, Autumn's insistence on her sobriety did not match the evidence collected. At the station, a breathalyzer test confirmed a blood alcohol content back of 0.08%, just above the legal limit. This result led to her arrest on charges of aggravated driving while intoxicated DUI. Additionally, her passenger received a citation for an open container found in the vehicle.
We said 3 right over. I had 3 right.
Have a seat for me. Put your feet in.
No. You only gave me 2. And I have one more test.
Have a seat.
No, that's only right.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest for DUI. I need you to get your feet all the way in, okay? Can you do that for me?
No, I just because I have one more test.
You are under arrest.
I guess that you had one more arrest or I...
You're already under arrest.
No. No, can you please be over here? Run horse.
Yes.
Please.
Ma'am, have a seat for me, okay?
No. Run horse, please.
Have a seat, ma'am.
During the arrest process, Autumn's resistance escalated. She refused to enter the police vehicle, demanded to make phone calls, and continued to argue with the arresting officer. This non-compliance not only hindered the arrest process, but also led to additional charges. According to Section 4507.02, operating a vehicle without a valid driver's license is considered a first-degree misdemeanor in Ohio. The penalties for this offense can include a fine of up to $1,000 and imprisonment for up to 6 months. Additionally, the court may impose points on the individual's driving record and potentially require the person to appear in court. Under Section 4511.19 of the Ohio Revised Code, driving with a back of 0.08% or higher is a DUI offense. For a first offense, penalties include fines from $375 to $1,075, a license suspension of 6 months to 3 years, and up to 180 days in jail, which may be reduced with probation. Aggravated DUI with a back of 0.17% or higher leads to higher fines, extended license suspension up to 5 years, and imprisonment from 60 days to 1 year. Subsequent offenses result in harsher penalties, including longer jail time and larger fines. In addition, resisting arrest is a 4th-degree felony in Ohio under Section 2921.33 of the Ohio Revised Code, with penalties including fines up to $5,000 and imprisonment for up to 18 months. The severity of the penalties depends on the nature of the resistance and whether physical violence or threats were involved. Additional conditions, such as probation, may also be imposed.